and summation. This is now high school and college. What is summation? Adds all terms in a sequence. Example: sigma, upper 5 and lower I equals 1. I equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on, infinity. And the product meaning multiplies all terms in a sequence. Example: product 4, I equals 1. I equals 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 equal other. Integral meaning finds the total accumulation or area under a curve. Example: integral 2 0 x dx equals 2. Double integral finds a quantity over a 2D region. Example: double integral R1 dA gives the area of region R. Triple integral meaning finds a quantity over a 3D region. Example: triple integral V1 dV gives the volume of solid V. Contour integral integrates around a closed loop. Example: contour integral C. What's that F meaning? I don't know. The F equals Z dz. Partial derivative differentiates with respect to one variable while others stay constant. If f xy equals x2 plus y2, then partial derivative f partial x equals to 2x. Nabla or del, used for gradient, divergent, and curl. Example: nabla x2 plus y2 equals 2x2y. Proportional to: one quantity changes in constant proportion to another. Example: y finite x. If x doubles y, also doubles. Identity, congruent. Always equal or equal modulo a number. Example: a plus b, 2. Identity, a2 plus 2ab plus b2. Congruent, same shape and size, geometry. If two triangles have equal sides and angles, ABC congruent to DEF. Element of belongs to a set. Example: 3, element 1, 2, 3, 4. Not an element of. Does not belong to a set. Example: 5, not element 1, 2, 3, 4. Proper subset. One set is contained in another but is not equal to it. 1, 2. Proper subset 1, 2, 3. Subset or equal. One set is contained in another and may be equal. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Union combines all elements from two sets. 1, 2 union 2, 3 equals 1, 2, 3. Intersection meaning common elements of two sets. Example: 1, 2, 3 intersection 2, 3, 4 equals 2 and 3. Empty set, a set with no elements. Example: this set of months with 32 days is an empty set. For all, statement is true for every element. Example, for all x2, what is this? Greater than, greater than is that? Less than or equal 0. There exists at least one element satisfies a condition. For example, there exists x2 equals 16, x equals 4. Aleph null. The size coordinately of the infinite set of natural numbers. There is no example. Turnstill can be proved from given assumptions. Example, PP, right arrow, Q, turnstile Q. Double turnstile is logically true in every valid interpretation. Example, P to the power of a Q and double turnstile P. Direct sum meaning combines algebraic solutures while keeping their separate. Example, R2 equals R equal direct sum R. These are symbols commonly used in advanced high school, college, and university mathematics, especially in calculus, linear algebra, logic, abstract algebra, and set theory. These are all meanings. These are all meanings of the hardest in the world.